Here's a pair of the TOZO NC3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then another device, and then how to factory reset these. So the first thing is, let's put these in the pairing mode and connect to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, so let me just open these up. I'm going to take these out. Now I'm currently not paired to any phone, so as soon as I take these out, these should automatically go into pairing mode. Okay, you'll know it's in pairing mode if you see a white blinking light on one of the earbuds. Okay, I do see a white light, and it's very, very difficult to see. I have to have my glasses on. You can see it white, white, white. It's really hard. As soon as you turn it, it disappears, so you really have to look. But anyway, it's currently in a pairing mode. So now it's in pairing mode. Let's just connect to a device here, my Samsung Galaxy phone. Let me go to settings. We're going to go to connections, and you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and see that little spinny thing up there, searching for a device that's in pairing mode that is near me. I did find the TOZO NC3. I'll tap on that. With Android phones, you will get a pairing request. I'll tap on pair, and voila. Now we are connected and paired to this phone right here. Now let's leave it just like that. And now let's say we want to connect to an iPhone now. All right, so let me go ahead and first put these back into here. So I just took the buds out. Don't forget I was paired and connected to that phone over here, but now here's my iPhone. Now how do I connect to my iPhone? Now if I go ahead and bring this up here, obviously it's not going to be in a pairing, but I'm not going to get no white blinking light on one of these. It's because I'm connected and paired to that phone right over there, okay? So there's several ways now I can put this in a pairing mode, okay? So the first way is if I wanted to put it in pairing mode so I can connect to my iPhone, I'm connected and paired to this Samsung phone right here, okay? So what I want to do is go to settings on this phone. I'm going to go to Bluetooth again, go to connections, Bluetooth, and you can see this connected, the NC3 is right there. So now I can do this, okay? I mean, I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can click on the settings here. I can disconnect or unpair. I can do any of those three, but if I just do, or if I just turn off Bluetooth, if I do any of those three, as soon as I do that, these should automatically be in a pairing mode now, okay? So now let me see if I can find that light. Now I have to really like look. I found it. It was over here. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's right there, white, white. As soon as I move it like that, it disappears. So you have to like really look in there, okay? Anyway, so these are back into pairing mode, and now obviously I can connect now to this iPhone here, go to settings, I'll go to Bluetooth, and that spinny thing down here on the iPhone is searching for Bluetooth devices or that's in pairing mode that's near me, okay? So again, I found it, so I can just tap on that right there, and voila, now I'm connected to my iPhone instead of this Samsung Galaxy phone. So now we're currently connected and paired to this iPhone here, okay? Now let's say we want to go ahead and connect to another iPhone. It's the iPhone 16e, okay? But this time I'm not going to turn off the Bluetooth on here. I'll show you how you can force it into pairing mode, okay? So we'll try to connect to this phone first. Of course, if I put the buds in here and then I take it out, it's not going to be in pairing mode. I'm not going to get a white blinking light because I'm already paired to this iPhone over there. So if I pull these out right now, it's not going to be in the pairing mode. So I'm going to force it into pairing mode now without turning off Bluetooth or disconnecting or anything on that phone there. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the buds in the case. I'm going to have the lid open, and then you have that button right here. What I'm going to do is press for about 5 seconds. Okay. Leave the lid open and just watch. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding. Just wait. And as soon as it starts blinking the numbers, let go. All right. So now we just force it into pairing mode, okay? If I go ahead and pull these out, we should have a white blinking light now. Let's see if I can find it again. Okay, this is weird. I can't see the white blinking light on here, but it should still be in pairing mode. We just force it into pairing mode. So let me just go to settings here. Let's go to Bluetooth, and it should find it. There's devices. It's spinning again, searching. Okay, let me just put it back in the case then. Let me put it back in the case here. I'm gonna do the same thing again. It's in the case, and I'm gonna press and hold. Ready, go. Press and hold again. Okay, now I'm gonna let go. It's blinking. Oh, shoot. Look at that right there. There we go. So now let me tap on that right there. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now let's say you want to do a factory reset, okay? Let's say you have pairing problems, connecting problems, can't get it into pairing mode, keeps disconnecting, one side's not working, out of lip sync, and so on. So a factory reset with these is very simple. Again, have the buds in the case, open it up, and then we have that button on here, but this time we're going to press and we're going to hold that button longer, okay? So lids open, let's factory reset these right now. There's the button, ready, set, go. Press and hold. You want to hold for like 12 seconds or just wait until the left and right side is blinking. Keep holding. I'm still holding here. Just wait. Okay, left, right is blinking. Now you can let go. And now wait about 10 seconds and let the factory reset complete. And then after the factory reset is complete, it should automatically go into pairing mode, okay? But the thing is, remember I was paired to all these phones here. If I want to pair it back to this phone here, this iPhone, don't forget, I need to go into settings here and I need to go to Bluetooth. And remember, I was currently paired to this device, okay? What I have to do is click on the information here, the settings, the Bluetooth, and with the iPhone, I forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it's unpair, okay? So now it should find it, okay? It's searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. And we just factory reset these. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off. Let me turn it back on now. And up, there you go. TOZO NC3. Let's check that and we're connected back to the same phone. So same thing, if I want to connect back to these phones too, I have to delete it off my pairing list before it's going to be able to find it when these are in pairing mode, okay?